Hi, my name is Mitrin and I'm 8 years old, and this is the third video of 4 videos. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to go from one screen to another screen. So first, let's click on the plus app. So we're going to be using navigation view and navigation link. So we all created the Hello World program already for us. So the struct is our main screen. So we're going to be creating another one. So we're going to be doing struct. Then we're going to be, I'm going to be naming it second screen view. So then I'm going to put a colon. And then view. 1 second. So then we're gonna do var space body some view. And then in it let's just do some text that says this is the second screen. Okay, so since we've done that, we're going to be deleting the vstack and what's inside it in our main screen, and we're going to be, instead of doing a stack, we're going to be doing navigation view. Navigation view. Inside that, we're going to put navigation link. Navigation link. Navigation link. And then we're going to do second screen view. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah. Destination first. Destination. Then this and second screen view. So after that, we're going to put a comma, and then we're going to do label. Then we're going to, the label is just like the name of the link. So what we're doing here is like you're searching up on Google, Amazon, or something like that, and then the first link is the Amazon website. So you click on it, and then it shows you the Amazon website. So that's exactly what we're doing right now. So then in the label, let's do text, and then let's do go to second screen, because that's what we're doing. Second screen. And then when we're done, we should be having... So I actually just forgot the curly braces after label. So this is how it works. So we're going to click on go to second screen, and it shows this is the second screen. And as in the top left, there's a back button. See? So that's how it works. See you next time. Bye.